Hey there! To succeed in Shopify dropshipping, you need to meet 6 conditions. Choose a profitable niche, have a professionally designed store optimized for conversions, curate handpicked, best-selling products from your niche, create a professional logo, write compelling descriptions with converting keywords, optimize and ensure fast-loading pages for smartphones. If you're not knowledgeable about this and try to do it yourself without the right skills and tools, you're likely to fail. That's why, if you want to succeed in Shopify dropshipping, you need an expert to build a high-converting store for you and provide post-sale support. This is where Neat Digital comes in. They have completed similar projects for clients worldwide and have received excellent reviews. They are a pro freelancer, meaning the high quality of their services has been confirmed by an independent team. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description and read reviews from previous clients. You can also check out their portfolio. Their most advanced premium package, which includes 50 winning products, costs $3,500, but you don't have to buy the most expensive one. Choose the most popular package for $2,500. Most clients find this to be a solid stream of additional income. Many people will tell me that this is expensive. Yes, it is. But imagine yourself a year from now with your store thriving and earning money. Your life has changed. You've gained financial stability, regained joy in life, and have more time for your children. And you have more energy to grow your business and enjoy your free time. How would that feel? If you break down this investment over a year, it comes to just $6.85 a day. What's more significant, $6.85 for being among the 2.1% whose stores are still profitable. $6.85 for feeling the joy of life and having time for your children. $6.85 for gaining financial stability and finally working for yourself. Many people ask me, how can I know this business is for me? When I hear this, I want to say, I think you're hesitant because you don't trust me. Or maybe you don't fully trust yourself. And you know what? If I haven't earned your trust, don't click the link below and don't order. I don't deserve it. I haven't done my job, and I don't want something for nothing. That's fine. My feelings won't be hurt, and I apologize for wasting your time. But if you trust me even a little, you can also trust other customers whose reviews have been verified by purchases. Neat Digital has over 700 positive reviews. I've been hiring freelancers from Fiverr for 14 years, and I highly recommend this expert. Click the link in the description to read customer reviews or compare packages. If you haven't placed your order yet, I think it's because you're afraid of making a bad decision. That's okay. Let's say you order a profitable automated store and you hate it. That's probably the worst-case scenario, right? Let's agree that's the worst thing that could happen. If that happens, here's how to fix it. Just report that you're not satisfied, and Fiverr Pro will give you your money back because all pro freelancers are covered by a satisfaction guarantee. It'll be as if it never happened, right? But what if it actually works? Since you're still watching, you probably have a strong feeling that this is exactly what you've been looking for. What if your intuition is right? In a few months, you could be launching more Shopify dropshipping stores. Isn't it worth at least trying? After all, the worst that can happen is you get your money back. But the best-case scenario could completely change your life. Click the link in the video description and start taking action today.